दर्यादेगेवेल्या भागांत घडपी बेकायदेशीर गजाली आड राज्य पुलीस खातें आक्रमक आसपाक जाय, जे गोंय एक बरें पर्यटन थळ म्हूण प्रतिमा तयार करपाक म्हत्वाचें आसा। दर्यादेग भागांत जावपी बेकायदेशीरपणाचेर लक्ष घालचें म्हूण हो प्रस्न आदींच मुखेलमंत्र्या मेरेन पावयिल्लो आसा म्हूण पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयला। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Videos viral झाले तातूंत कळटा की prostitution or whatever happening in that particular band. There are many things which have been coming to the part for which the act of the police is very important. So ताजे खातीर मुख्यमंत्री उलयतकच chief minister has driven this particular part. If this is not done, then the security part and giving that part of saying great areas, destination does not come in. कित्याक बऱ्या destination असल्यो गजाली जावपाच्यो ना. आनी ताजे खातीर what we are asking is really get this कसले आसूं. As we get new policies and integrated beach management systems in place, it is very important that the police department starts getting aggressive on this type of coastal belt, wherein this type of illegal activities take place. And in terms of infrastructure, समजते कितें आसा तें I think it is a domain of the TCP, Town and Country Planning. But आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाच्या लँडान समज कितें आसा, and we have started looking at this. Basically, तो shacks आसूं, water sports आसूं, ह्या policies आसूं, integrated beach management policy आसूं, homestay policies आसूं, at the same time giving marginal issue घेता taxi. I think technology will not stop. Technology will keep going. So we need to ensure that when it's taxi, आमचे गोंयकार टॅक्सी भावान आनी भयणीन समजूंक जाय की वी आर टुडे बिकम चॅनल टू द वर्ल्ड एज अ डेस्टिनेशन एंड वी नीड टू एडॉप्ट टू टेक्नॉलॉजी. आमी स्वता जावन टेक्नॉलॉजी एडॉप्ट करप नाल्यार कितें करप which we are able to go ahead.